Well, let's see if this works. Just using OBS to try to record the screen. So the question was, how do we get a PhD to use Mallincam Sky? Well, the first thing you got to make sure is that you have installed PHD, specifically PHD2, on your system. And when you installed Mallincam Sky, you also installed the ASCOM drivers. That was one of the options that was available for you. So once you've got those two things installed, the next step should be pretty easy. And again, just want to remind you, the ASCOM drivers would have been in the folder which you downloaded. So this would install Mallincam Sky. This would also install the direct show, and you just go to ASCOM and just install the ASCOM Mallincam setup, and it will install it as long as you have PHD installed on your computer. There we go. So I've got that. I've connected the 440 DSC, and see if we can actually connect that. So let's start PHD. There we go. In PHD, we go to setup. You go to the camera, right, and you've got all the different possibilities, and in here, including the ASCOM Mallincam driver. So you'll make sure you find that. Just select it, right? There we go. You go over here, camera setup. It should list the camera that you've connected. RAW 8-bit is fine. I just, because it's a guide camera, I just lowered the frame rate, set the gain down low. That's fine. Say OK. Click on connect. And so it should be connected. I'm just going to use the simulator mount because I'm shooting from the window in my computer room. So I'll connect a simulator. All right. Close the window, and I'm going to just activate. I got it's a very sensitive camera, so I'm setting it at 0.01. I'm shooting in the daytime. So if I click this, there it is. You can see the image coming from the actual 440 DSC camera. Simple as that. You can adjust the brightness with here, and the usual stuff with PHD. Hopefully that was helpful. It's just a fast, short video for me testing to see how OBS records the information. So I'm just going to disconnect everything. It's always a good thing to do. There we go. And close everything down. And hopefully this was useful. Let's see if this works.